Ken Fane Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. With a regular fuzzy carpet with a high pile, if you press down on it or you put furniture on it, the pressure is kind of concealed by the pile of the carpet. When you have a really flat carpet, when you press down on it, if you have a squishy pad, you're going to see an indentation. It's going to be a little bit like a trampoline. You may have marks in the carpet that are more conspicuous than if the carpet were a cut pile. But the other thing is, with all that pressure put directly on the backing of the carpet, you're going to stretch that carpet a little bit and maybe eventually compromise the installation. That's the reason why we recommend a flat pad underneath woven and commercial carpets. Ken Fane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.